It's a wonderful day here at Fofolicious Food Bites. But before I start cooking, I sincerely want to appreciate everyone watching my videos around the whole world. Yes, from Nigeria to US, UK, Europe, Turkey. I show you many more wonderful recipes from Fofolicious Food Bites. Now, back to today's recipe. One of my dear sister called from US and asked, "Auntie, can you please show me again how to cook that your lovely pepper jollof rice?" I really miss it. My sister is one of the most pleasant, hard-working lady I know. So why not? Here is how I make my SOJ, Sold Out Jollof. First, here are my simple ingredients: long grain rice, tatashe, tomatoes, onions, rodo, chicken, mixed seasonings, tomato paste, meat stock, groundnut oil, bay leaf, spices, and a lot of veggies for garnishing. It's time to cook. First, blend tomatoes, rodo, tatashe, and onions. Set it aside. You can mix in your tomato paste too inside the blended tomato at this point. Heat the pot, pour in groundnut oil, let it get hot and sizzling. In goes all the seasoning. Then mix very well. After mixing, you put all the pepper mix inside and stir. Then you can add the spices, mix, and allow the stew to fry very well. Add in the stock. Earlier I bought some meat to get my stock. Taste the stew and keep frying. The secret of having a very good stock is adding bone to your meat. The bone is packed with so much flavor that meat alone can't give you. The better the stock, the better your jollof rice will taste. Also, the taste you get from your stew when making your jollof rice will basically tell how your jollof rice will taste. So pay attention to this stage. This stew, adjust to your taste and pour in your water into the stew. While pouring your water, you can just add your bay leaf. Now it's come to a boil and it's time to add my washed rice. Know your rice. That means some rice can't absorb too much water and can easily get soggy. So cook safe by adding not too much water. I'm using long grain rice for my pepper jollof today. Feel free to use any rice of your choice. Mix very well and cover. Once you see that the water in the rice is getting thicker, turn down your heat and all your jollof needs now is just steaming. You can cover with a foil if you like. Give it some few minutes. Once you notice that you can see clearly the rice, start from the middle and check if there's no more water in the jollof rice. And there you have it. Quick, easy, satisfying pepper jollof is ready. And for more satisfaction, I have salad, fried plantain, chicken and beef, garnished with veggies, cherry tomatoes, and it's all so colorful. You have to enjoy this. You know how? Please recreate and let me know. Thank you.